Alright, anyhow, Sifu Kairesh here. How are you doing? Today I'm going to show you an interesting way of saying what is it in Mandarin. What is it? Bendo. Okay, of course not like that lah. Okay, so what is it in Mandarin is called 什么来的?什么来的?什么来的? Okay, this is in Tamil. Okay, so 什么 okay, 什么 is what? 来的 is, don't worry about that. Okay, there's no meaning to it. So it's 什么来的? Okay, 什么来的? That means what is it? What's up? So what is it is it's more relevant. Okay, so you can just 什么来的? Okay, if you look into my 101 book, okay, we look into page 54. Okay, this is my 101 book. Okay, so if you see there casually, you want to ask, hey, so what is it? So 什么来的? Let's say we see people talking to each other, you just hey, what is it? So you can just tell 什么来的? Okay, so now you can also use this and that. This one is if you are going to a shop, you want to select something, but then you do not know what is it in Mandarin. If you're going to a restaurant, you want to tell, hey, what is this? What is that? So what is this? This in Mandarin is called 这个. Correct? 这个. So you just have to put 什么来的 behind. That's it. So how do you say? So what is this? You say 这个什么来的? What is this? 这个什么来的? 这个什么来的? Isn't it easy? Okay, that in Mandarin is called 那个. Not naku, that Tamil different meaning. Okay, naku. No, nakamuku gonna come in already. Okay, anyway, naka is that. So what is that? Naka 什么来的? What is this? 这个什么来的? What is that? 那个什么来的? So you want to speak, in Mandarin, you just want to look fluent, right? Very easy. Just go up to a Chinese person, just tell, boss. 这个什么来的? So the one that you want to pay attention is actually the tones. 什么? Actually, it's tone number 2, but doesn't matter. Okay, you can just tell 什么来的? 什么来的? 来, it's tone number 2. 来的. The is a neutral tone, so there's no tones about it. So 这个什么来的? So you can copy the way I speak in terms of the tones. That 那个什么来的? So when you speak like that, I guarantee you Chinese will be like, wow, speaking Mandarin. Yes, that's it. So you use this if you want to ask what is this and what is that in Mandarin. I use this all the time. Your job is just to copy and paste whatever and be cheap. All right. So tell me what are the 2 things that you learned today. Comment below. All right. 谢谢你，再见。